The security situation in the southeast region, particularly in Anambra State, is creating fear and tension amongst the people. Some women in Awka South local government area of Anambra State, while meeting with the leadership of the Zenith Labour Party in the local government, say they are determined to give Obiora Okonkwo their mandate to enable him address the security situation in the state if elected.
But you know, in everyday life in Anambra State, there's nothing to write home about. There are a lot of chaos everywhere. So, but I'm believing with his intercultural and his exposure, there will be sanity in Anambra State when he goes to the government house.
We are not the people, we don't have the people that will go there to steal from us, rather than people that will go there to make sure there is development in this our Anambra, especially in this Awka South. We have suffered no rural area, no rural roads. Everywhere, no light, no security. So we need a change, and that change will come with Obiora Okonkwo.
Now they don't even go to bed with their two eyes closed, and they are afraid of the future of their children. But these women have come out here today to tell us that with Obiora Okonkwo, that their children's future and that of their relatives are guaranteed.
Obiora Okonkwo for governor!
The people are also convinced that the victory of the Zenith Labour Party in the forthcoming governorship election will open up a new chapter for the state.
So we know that when we follow him and deliver him, there will not be any enslavement for all 8 years. But we've tested and see. So the more reason we are following him, because we believe in him so much. He's a man of integrity, a man of his words.
Because it's not voting that matters. It's just voting the right person, the person that will represent us well. Not voting the person that will go there and suffer us.
Some parts of Anambra State, including Inewi South local government area, Idemili North local government area, and others, have been the hotbed of violent attacks and brutal killings by armed gunmen who have also attacked political gatherings and have threatened to disrupt the peaceful conduct of the elections.
No election. When I fear, they can walk it out. That 28th of September, no election.
Chukwebuka Wodo, AIT News, Awka.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.